Now, the 4-day J3A's Puma National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships gets underway on Thursday at the National Stadium. The first senior event will be the men's 100-meter qualifiers, and that will have the likes of former Kingston College standout Javon Matheson and former Class 1 champion Calabar Tyreek Wilson. Meanwhile, the first junior event will be the girls under 18 javelin throw at 9:30 a.m. The day's action begins at 10:15 a.m. Live and exclusive.
Or athletes, and especially the women, they don't fear each other, but they respect each other. And so I'm expecting, once again, this weekend, we will see that fierce rivalry that will be on the track. Our field eventers have continued to just raise the bar. Young Ebert, young graduate of Kingston College, I had to put in that plug.
Yes, I know.
World lead, world junior record. Back on home soil. The public must come out and give the athletes the support that is necessary.
Live and exclusive coverage will be on TVJ, TVJ Ascend and One Spot Media with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM starting at 2 p.m.